Hello, hello. Mic check. Oh, I hope this worked. I got a bit of a different setup here today. Um, so I haven't been streaming Minecraft for a little bit. I've done a lot of development in the background. And I was like, wait a minute, what if I just rotate my monitor like 90 degrees so it's vertical, and then I just start streaming the development that I'm doing in the background. So I'm gonna be doing some stuff, making some stuff for the server. I'm gonna be testing it in Minecraft. We got like our little code on the bottom that we can use stuff with. We got our test world, all that. Let's switch the music up too. I think I have the AI chat enabled as well. So hopefully I can hear y'all coming in soon. Really, at least. I actually don't know if this setup is live right now too, by the way. I could just be talking to myself. But okay, if you're watching the VOD, I can go ahead and do like a quick summary of how this setup works. We got YouTube chat on the top. If anybody pulls up, I'll be taking some of their suggestions. But what we got here is like a generator type thing. So we have an AI linked to our code base at the bottom. On the left, kind of where my mouse is at, we have a bunch of functions. This thing we have opened up is a Datapack. It's linked to this Minecraft right here. I think I can pull it up. Yeah, it's like this thing. I don't want to like leak all my stuff, but I think this is worth showing. This is the world save, and then in Datapacks, it's this folder right here that we're editing.
Hi, Judah.
Yo, what's up? Hey, what's up, Godly? Welcome, welcome. It's a familiar face. We're making a Minecraft data pack at the moment, or at least improving on some of it. So the function of this data pack is you type /function, and then you have commands, and then these commands spawn in different builds. But these builds aren't built by humans. these builds that pop up.
I'm still banned, and I need a new phone. LOL.
You're still banned. Oh my. What happened? Oh wait, I think I remember all that lore. Oh man. No. But as you can see, like we can generate any structures. Do you have a structure you want us to generate, Godly? We can actually kick it off with this. To show like the test run for how it works. I have like a prompt that I pre-generated. It says generate a new MC function named build farmhouse. Let it build a wheat farmer themed one chunk starter house. And then I'll just use
the Liberty
/
statue.
Ooh, the Liberty statue, yeah. I can put that in here in a second.
Hey man.
Yo, what's up? Hey, what's up, Justin?
How's it going?
It's good, yeah. I'm gonna be trying to stream the development process a little bit today. I don't really do all this stuff in the background, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of show. We got like an AI linked up to our setup right here. I've been testing the different AI as well too. There's like different ones. I think Cloud 3.7 is the best one.
This is really cool. I find new aim.
Yeah.
Things are cool.
Things are cool. That's good. Oh, how this stream kind of ties into the main server too is I'm trying to use this AI to generate interesting like builds or cathedrals, things like that, and then like import them into the server somehow. Okay, so I'm gonna run the farmhouse function.
Hi.
We're gonna let Cloud 3.7 Sonnet write it. Hey, what's up, Mr. Vacant? Welcome, welcome. I could show some of the previous generations too while this generates it. It takes like a little bit for it to think. But as you can see, we got some UFOs made. I like generated UFO. We got a small survival house
Almost
that it built.
like Litematica, but I instead.
Yeah, we actually have Litematica installed on this build as well. So any of these things that the AI generates, I can like select, you know what I mean? And then make saves of them. That way I can import them into like different builds. I'm also learning how to use GitHub a little bit, because all of these functions will work for anybody's Minecraft. So I think once I've built some interesting ones, like any interesting builds, like this for example, like this could be a function, you know? I think this one was like Starter Castle. I can't remember this one. But again, the UFOs. These were some of my favorites. The AI is really good if you are like vague.
Litematica never made it to Pocket Edition, lol rip.
Oh, rip. That's kind of rough. I noticed I have to play on Minecraft 1.20.4 as well.
Those are cool.
The new one doesn't really work. Yeah, there've been some super interesting generations this thing has made. I think this cloud one is taking forever. Oh, here we go. It's wrote us a new one. Okay, so if this AI worked correctly, it should be a starting wheat house. Looks like there's some errors in the code though. It's trying to place item frames. Go ahead and ask it to fix that real quick. These AI are so wild too. When you hook them to your code bases, they can like read all your files and then scan for patterns between files and then fix errors in cross functions based on functions nearby. So it's like insane level of depth that they have the AI stuff going on. Yeah, let's reload this. Let's do time set day so we can actually see what it builds. And then hopefully it loads the function. It should just be called farmhouse. Farmhouse, here it is. Okay, this is what the AI just made. Let's take a look. Not too bad. It has a has like a house, like a roof and a chimney and everything. Oh my goodness. Looks like even a little storage shed. Maybe we walk around in it in a survival for a second. But the fact that like I kind of wanted to stream this just as like a proof of concept thing. Like the fact that you can take any AI model and generate stuff in seconds. You can hook it to Minecraft if you want. You can do pretty much anything. Looks like the floor is kind of busted though. It didn't really, like it generated the floor one level too high, I think.
The fence is in the ring spot of generation.
Oh yeah, true actually. I think I know what that means. Okay, let's do Statue of Liberty. I forgot. Someone said to do Statue of Liberty. So let's pull our prompt back. Let's do...
The fence was next to the post you broke.
Whoops.
Oh, I see. To build a small scale replica of Statue of Liberty in Minecraft. I'm gonna use the AI Gemini 2.0 for this one. This one's supposed to be like a really fast one, but it doesn't really like deep think like Cloud or the other AI models. It wrote only 38 lines of code for the Statue of Liberty. We'll see what it does. Looks like we have 2 Statues of Liberty.
Hey, any chance I can get an unbanned?
You have to talk to the mod team. They told me I don't handle bans. Like a division of powers type thing. This doesn't look like a Statue of Liberty. This is like... I mean, I guess it kind of is. They use green, which is interesting. I think this is supposed to be the torch. I don't really see the Statue of Liberty on that, though. Okay, and then we have another one that it made. That one's pretty good. Nice and simple. I think I already had this one in the world, though. This looks familiar. Okay, I want to do a cathedral. Let's use the Big Think AI. Pull our prompt back. And then let's do Stone Cathedral, maybe? Just like a classic one. And then we'll say, let it be a function to build a grand, detailed Minecraft
Hi, I like the
survival.
AI stuff a lot. Looking forward to see it on the server. By the way, I'm Biama X3.
Oh, hey, what's up, Buyback? Yeah, that's awesome to see it. Yeah, I thought it'd be fun to just do like a development stream for a second, kind of show y'all like the back end of stuff. This is my first time making a data pack, so there's probably better ways to do this. I was just like, I don't want to have to learn a bunch of new coding languages, so I just hooked AI up to it. If I could speak to the AI in English, and then the AI can speak in JavaScript or whatever it is. Pretty wild stuff too, by the way. I think I imported one of these UFOs into the server last night near Castle One. And then we've just been testing a bunch of different builds. There have been some very strange generations it's made though. Like I actually don't know how it figured out how to generate some of these things, but the AI just kind of knows somehow. And then it's also funny in a way, because it's like the AI has no special like spatial recognition. So you'll have like floating blocks. You got this tree that's just floating in the air. Even the logic of it too. Like this is a building, but it's like hollow. But it also has like hidden compartments in the building. Like I don't know why the AI thinks of that. I think there's one where it tries to generate stairs too.
Oh yes, I see the UFO.
Yeah. These were some of my favorite generations. I was trying to get it to generate like Native American, like classic builds, like Shawnee, Chickasaw, Cherokee, all that stuff, Aztec,
Hello.
Mayan. And it made some of these, like this one was just in one command line. It made all this, like a nice little crafting area. What's up, JP Snipes? Welcome. We're making some Minecraft
My
data
brain
packs.
will never adjust to your IQ of coding.
It's a lot simpler than it looks. Like this looks super scary because there's a lot of words, but at its core level, it's extremely simple. It's just kind of like asking an AI, "Hey, please code this," and then you give it enough code references that it can detect the patterns and make new ones. So it's like for this AI that I'm using, this Cloud 3.7, it doesn't really know how to make Minecraft data packs, but I had a bunch of Minecraft like data functions that I fed it. Like you see how we have 5 of these build functions listed. You feed that into the generator, and then you give it like a prompt of like, oh, make a cathedral or something like that. Oh, my response hit the prompt limit. Oh no. Okay, we have a 400 line code cathedral that it tried to make, and then it crashed out. I think it crashed out at the end. Maybe we can just try to run the 400 line. 400 lines is insane too, by the way, in terms of like blocks placed. When I said grand cathedral, it probably meant like big. There's errors in it though, so I don't know if it'll run. Maybe we can do a for each. Replace stained glass pane with white stained glass pane. And I think we can do that for each of these. Oh wait, no, I'm overwriting the wrong ones too. Whoops. Maybe we can use an AI to change all these instead of manual changing. Change all stained glass pane to. Let me turn the music up too. Get like a code vibe going. Here we got, looks like 30 pieces of glass. It needs to change. Oh, it's changing other functions. Whoops. I forgot to tell it the scope. For the function. I think I like Gemini a lot too for the AI, just because it's so fast.
Hey BIA.
Cloud one's pretty good, but it just takes forever.
Nice to see you here too.
Yeah, we got a lot of the classics here. I've been seeing y'all on the server a lot too. It's been really cool. Some of the recent builds y'all been making. Okay, when we prompted it.
By Judo IGTG to school, see you later.
Yo, sounds good, Godly. Good luck at school and stuff. But isn't it Saturday? You have school on Saturday? That's kind of wild. Unless you're from the east, I think y'all are in the future. It's probably
School on Saturday?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think our AI crashed out again too. I noticed if you go over like 200 lines of code,
Yeah.
the AIs start to error out a little bit. Like a lot of people advertise the AI as like a super smart, intelligent thing, but they hit their limit pretty quick around like 8 files or over like 200 lines of code per file. I think it's kind of hard
Where
for
do
them
you
to
live
parse.
that you have school on Saturday?
That is kind of interesting too, actually. I want to showcase some of these builds too. Maybe we could walk through some of the ones it's made. Like it knows how to place like workstations and stuff, and floors and
I
everything.
know Japan and China do have school on Saturday.
Even the
I'm not
farms.
certain of others.
I noticed sometimes when it places water though, I had to fill this section in, like with blocks, because when it places water, it doesn't know that water spreads, and so it leads to some messy generations sometimes. This one was kind of cool. It made like a whole wall around the fort, even with like an entrance and everything. And then I noticed the AI generates like small scale builds that look like small
a place
cities
close to
almost.
India, which is Bangladesh.
Oh, we just got our stone cathedral function again. Because it wrote 400 lines of code. Surprised Gemini Flash could do that. But we'll see if that works. Can we load the function? Function is not found. So yeah, that one errored out. We'll have to try another new cathedral. Maybe I used Claude 3.7 for that one and it crashed. So let's try. Maybe we could do GPT-4. I heard that's like the chat GPT one. That one's kind of a goofy one.
Very cool. Have a great day, man.
Yeah. Are you heading out, Jay? Or you say that the they forget? Welcome out for
I
being
use
here.
ChatGPT for too.
ChatGPT 4 is pretty good, yeah. It's not too good at coding though, compared to some of the other AI models, because ChatGPT doesn't have like a reasoning function in 4.0. I think it has it with like O1 and stuff. Oh, whoops! I did the wrong prompt. Go. Okay, surely that'll work. Oh wait, I forgot to clear the last one. That's why it's erroring. Classic version control. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're using the Flash model for this one. I don't want it to think for 2 more minutes. I want to start printing more stuff. I've been here, what, 20 minutes? I only got like 1 generation. Looks kind of good. 100 lines instead of 400 lines. It still doesn't know the stained glass stuff though. I wonder if I can teach that somehow by giving it like a documentation file. I was using the same type of setup to generate /AQ quests for the server. Like when you join the Minecraft server.
ChatGPT is my favorite employee. Winky face.
Honestly, same. I've been using it to like figure out how to write scripts that edit videos for me and stuff, based on the audio levels and detected words and everything. Like ChatGPT is so overpowered. Like if you know how to speak words to a robot, you can get the robot to do pretty much anything. Crazy stuff.
A lot of pretty cool builds.
Still not seeing the stone cathedral. I think it's kind of erroring out about. me see if I can give it better context on how to build it real quick. A lot of these this AI stuff that we work with right now too is like very primitive in a way. Like obviously these models are pretty
Long time no
complicated,
see.
but
Laughing face.
hey, yo, what's up? Welcome. Yeah, we're making some Minecraft data packs. I'm testing them live on air. Type stuff. Some of the AI models I'm using though are just not hitting. I think 3.7 Cloud is my favorite. If it just didn't take 2 minutes. And then Gemini 2, I think that's Microsoft's model. It can usually output stuff in like 10 to 15 seconds, but it just takes forever. Like you'll have to re-roll it a lot.
Not gonna lie. I'm curious how long it would take the AI to rebuild the Travelodge LOL.
That'd be kind of cool. I could try to tell it to build like a travel lodge. Let's see. And this stone cathedral thing is not working. Maybe it's too much for the AI at the moment. Here, I'll give it no context on how to generate one. I will just copy the path. Oh, just leaking my C drive. Nice. Generate a MC function.
Your voice is
build
really
file.
quiet, I find.
Oh, I think the microphone is like tangled in my hair. Oh man. Let me bring that over. Whoops. I didn't even notice that. Have I just been narrating this whole time and y'all can't even hear me? Yeah. I'll clip it onto this thing right here. Hopefully that works. Okay. Generate an MC function build file in functions named build travel lodge .mc function. Let this data pack function generate a great. I don't even know how to keyword it. Like, how do I tell an AI how to build that? Because you have like the dungeon rooms, you have like the hangout rooms, the voices, not the voices, yeah, the water rooms. I was reading your comment where it said your voice was quiet. That's funny. Travel lodge for survival Minecraft. Maybe we add PvP as a tag. PvP players. Let it have all survive Minecraft. Needed.
We have to find a way to copy the Travelodge from the server LOL.
I think I could do it pretty quickly. Like with the Light Batica stuff. You just put a stick in your hand, you do area selection. You can like select the area pretty fast like that. Like if I want to select this little village, I can just do like that type of stuff. And then save it as a schematic. And then it's
Copy with Lightmatica.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And then of course we have
could
the
just say a large hotel, or motel, or a rustic medieval inn.
rustic medieval inn is a good keyword actually. It really likes adjectives, I noticed, the AI. Oh, there's also an AI model called Grok. We could probably use that one. Let me pull that one up. Stream here. Maybe generate a Minecraft.
I
data
think
pack
AI would be able to
function
find it off Google
called
quickly.
build survival. AI would be able to find it on Google, true. That generates a one chunk perfect. Maybe I shouldn't use the keyword perfect. Output as pasteable MC function. Okay, that's like Grok Reason. Like dual building AI. Hey, Grok says this house needs a shelter, bed, crafting table, furnace, light source, door, window. Wow, this thing's kind of thinking. Wow. Wow, this thing's thinking a lot. What the? He's planning the size of the base. Nice, that's good. Cloud is somehow still generating 2 minutes later. I wonder which AI is going to be like the best AI. You know what I mean? Like which one really could like take the scene. There's so many different types, you know what I mean? They all have their different functions. I really like being able to like integrate it into your code, like with how Claude is. But then this Grok one is one in the middle, like how it can just kind of deep reason like that. That's kind of lit. I think that's what Claude does too, but it just doesn't show its thought process. It just thinks forever, and then outputs it at the end. Any other errors? Path is an error. Hopefully one of these works. I think most of the stuff we generated on stream is just crashed. Okay, we should have travelog function now. Slash reload. Space to generate it, yep. Function. Yeah. And it's still not there, it's not noticing it. Try another AI model to fix it. Oh, I never gave this one context, that's probably why. Let me just give it like a whole bunch of files real quick to upload. Really good. This build seems like it would be cool too, like the just reading some of the comments on it that the AI made. Got like a sleeping room, got multiple rooms, enchantment setup, PvP planning table, windows and everything. It's crazy how computers can just write this in seconds off of prompts. Who knows? Okay, Grok is probably done now too.
Hola.
Yo, what's up? Welcome, welcome. We're making some build functions in Minecraft. Let's just call this one Grok, because that's the one Grok made. 58 big. Interesting. And this one's still generating. Surely we have a build now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. We got a build, nice. Okay, this is the one that Grok made. This was like the middle AI. Looks like the roof is floating. Just a simple one made out of wood. The door is cut in half. I mean, it's a basic survival house though. Maybe we can ask Grok to improve it.
Weird stuff with the roof.
Yeah, true. I think we can send images to Grok as well, so we can like screenshot this and be like, this is basic, please fix it. Let me screenshot it. I will put it into Grok. Here is how it turned out. The roof is kind of weird. The walls are basic. Please enhance survival house for one chunk. Detailed, perhaps more workstations, etc. Optimize space for player who is 2 tall, 1 wide. I'm just trying to give it extra context because the AI is still like, pretty much every AI I've used like hallucinates a lot, where it'll just make up information. So the more just random specific context you can give it, the more it can kind of like dial in. Let's see if the cloud function finally worked. It did not work. I don't know. Maybe because it's 300 lines of code. Let me do 3.5. Optimize travel lodge for 200 lines of code. I think this one's still generating. I feel like Grok is so wild to watch generate too. Like, look at all this like reasoning tokens it uses. Like, ain't that something? You know what I mean? It came out like a week ago too, I think. Okay, how to build it. Yep. Survivalhouse.mc function. Now we import it, build, survive. Let's call it survvv to import it faster. 116 lines of code. That should be a decent sized house. Nice. Surely this one will work. What's up with all the functions breaking today? There we go. Okay, so this is supposed to be the enhanced version of this house over there. Let's see how we did it. Let's go to spectator mode. Looks like he tried to use trapdoor for windows. We got some floating torches. Oh, it's got like a little enchanting zone. That's kind of good, I guess. The farm in the wall, interesting. And then we got some fences. Wow. I don't think I could call this one an improvement. It's still kind of broken. Oh, it looks like this one finished cooking. Surely we can just reload it and then it'll work.
Lol, some broke stuff there, lol.
Yeah, for real. These did not work. Let me go to my GitHub real quick and like, I'm gonna just download it from the website. I have like a Raspberry Pi I've been building and I generated some on it, but they're not imported in here yet. Let me download these. Functions. Right. So the coding languages I think are so funny to think about. Okay, here we go. We have our function for our first cathedral. Build...
Hi Juder, how's UT day Juder?
Pretty good, yeah. Pretty good. I've been doing a lot of coding. So, I think it's 800 lines of code. There's no way that works, right? 800 lines of code.
Judah, I miss watching your videos.
Oh, thank you. Wait, this one imported. It's 800 lines. No way this is gonna build, right? We gotta see what this one is. This is kind of nice. Wow. 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 This one's a little fancier. It's got like the colored windows and
Judah,
everything.
what happened that so.e stuff broke?
Some of this stuff broke. What stuff broke? Looks like it made like an interior too. Look at this thing. Lodestone with an end frame. That's kind of underground enchanting.
Where's Justin?
I'm not sure what he's doing. He's probably still here. Looks like we got a bunch of floating chains in the middle. I like this detail right here too. How it used the stained glass panes. That's awesome. Even a little bridge entrance. Wow. That's pretty good. Okay, maybe this is a really good function, so maybe we can use
Juder,
this.
when are you going to play Fortnite?
When am I gonna play Fortnite? We want to see Fortnite. Don't show us code, show us Fortnite. I think I have Fortnite downloaded. I could probably play that pretty soon. Create a small...
Judah, did you download?
That's pretty cool, but some weird stuff, mixed with great architecture.
Yeah, it seems like some of it's clipping in a little bit. Like there's floating areas, like these doors right here don't really have like middle areas. These pillars are kind of strange. There's like floating stone in the middle of the the pews and everything. Seems like it spawned bats too. I think it spawned into these. That's kind of cool. Wow.
Judah, after Minecraft, can we play Fortnite?
I'm not gonna play Fortnite today. I gotta do some stuff here in a little bit. But I have it downloaded and stuff, so maybe we can get a stream going.
Aw.
That's a really good game though. The what was it? The Godzilla update. That was a fun one. Okay, let's see if we have another one loaded. I use this as a seed to generate a smaller version of one. So hopefully that one just loads and works instantly. Oh, I think it did actually. Wow. This one did the stained glass panes again. The doors are off center a
Judah,
little
are
bit.
you doing maths?
Kind of. Like the type of coding I'm doing right now, people call like lazy coding, because I'm not like handwriting every single function. I'm not visualizing all these coordinates in my head and doing it. I'm just speaking English to an AI model and then showing it like functions that worked in the past and asking it to generate similar ones. Then it does it. So the AI does a lot of the calculation, but the coding for this is like coding in English, like knowing how to speak to the AI to get it to generate what you want. Okay, so we have 2 of these now. So maybe I can generate a small trading hub, perhaps? I wanted to keep using stained glass. I really like that as like a seed. Hopefully we can preserve that into generation. A new function, tradinghub.mc. Maybe we'll do a couple more builds, and then I might get some food, and then load up into the Minecraft server for a bit. Might do some VR Minecraft, all that stuff. If anybody else has like a generation they want me to run, let me know. I can run it. Look at the screenshot, wow.
Judah.
Yo. Maybe I can feed the Stonehenge into Grok, and then Grok would know how to do it.
Smaller or bigger?
Smaller or bigger? I kind of like the smaller, like micro sizes, because the bigger it is, it like glitches out. Build a cathedral of however you like. Take this.
What if we ask it to make a wheat maze LOL?
Oh, like crop circles? That would be kind of fun. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it to
Judah,
do that.
why
actually.
do people like beer?
I think
Yeah.
altered states people pursue. There's something novel about experiencing life in a different way, type stuff. But it's very hard on the body, so you know, people crave things that they shouldn't sometimes. It's part of being a human, I guess. Oh, I just red aired this somehow. How did I do that? Oh. It's right here. Oh, it doesn't like having signs. Maybe I can just remove this code and it works. Really?
But in Germany, you can't put ice in the beer.
What?
Crop circles.
Yeah, we gotta do crop circles. Let me try to load this one real quick. This one's almost set. Just have to take out some of the broken functions, and then we're gonna get it to generate. Yeah, I think this one works. This would be the trading hub. if it can do something like that. Why do screenshots keep popping up? Push the wrong key. Okay, reload, function. This one was called like Trading Hub, I think. Yep. Wow, that's pretty good. Looks like it has 4 market stalls and then a center fountain, storage and everything. I think the barrels are floating, but it's not too bad. Okay,
That's pretty
generate
cool.
large
Wait, I finally made it.
Minecraft wheat crop circles. Yeah, I said large Minecraft wheat crop circles. So hopefully the large tag doesn't throw it off. It might just try to generate like 800 lines of code and crash itself. What's up, Shooky? Welcome, welcome.
Hi.
Yo, what's up, what's up? We're making some Minecraft data packs that have functions that spawn in builds type stuff. Pretty fun so far. It seems like it's working, all things considered.
Cool.
The generations are a little bit glitchy, or like they look almost like backrooms type. Like you see how all this is floating? It doesn't know slabs do this, so it just generates it like that. Also things like this. Like it has the pews, but it puts the stone floor in the pews so they don't stick out. Oh, here's our crop circles function. Looks like 116 lines of code, 119. See if that works. Yeah, I said large, so it might just like fill too much. I'm gonna go over here a little bit. Surely it'll load too, by the way. It's not gonna just crash out, right? Yeah! Wow, that's kind of cool. Yeah, you can call that a crop
Wow,
circle.
that looks cool.
Yeah, it looks like a circuit board, kinda. Or like the
That's
connections
cool.
in the middle.
WSP me and Strict Web were playing Rollcraft and it crashed LOL.
Yo, what's up, Apex? Yeah. We're using AI models to code functions for Minecraft
Matches
Datapack
to the UFO.
that spawn stuff in. Oh yeah, I think I could spawn in a UFO. We have that saved. Let's put one over there in here. I can show y'all how like the printer works. Creative mode. Go to schematic. Paste schematic in world. There we go. Look, now we have a UFO. This UFO was generated by one of the language models as well. I just had to prompt it like, I think it took 20 or 30 generations to get something that looks like this. The prismarine and everything. But it works pretty well.
Emma go for now. CYABD. Nice work.
That sounds good, Apex. Appreciate you tuning in and stuff. I'm hoping to roll out some of this stuff to the server soon. I just don't know how to like make it functional for people yet. You know what I mean? Like this stuff's fun to generate, but I'm thinking of like generating like dungeons for people and stuff to like farm gear on the server, like making fun stuff. Okay, we got another crop circle. Let's see if this one works. We'll put this one over here. I think slash function Celtic crop circle. Interesting. Wow. See, like, how does an AI know how to do this? You know what I mean? Just instantly, it can make stuff in Minecraft just by speaking English to it. It's beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Alright, I'm gonna try to break it a little bit. I'm gonna switch to its deep thinking model, and then do make a new crop circle fractal symmetrical. I'm gonna try to overload it with like keywords. So in Minecraft. Sweet.
I was originally thinking corn maze. To see if
Oh.
it could do something like the maze in the lodge LOL.
Oh, I get what you mean now. Like instead of the wheat crops, you do the wheat blocks and then have it stacked them so it's like a... I think it knows Perlin noise and everything too. I bet it can generate actual mazes using its brain. I'm gonna try to get that actually. We're gonna let it generate the fractal alien crop circle function first. Because that sounds hilarious. Surely it can do it. I want to print another one of these.
I love corn mazes IRL. I always win.
Yeah, for real. Yeah. We have a lot of those where I'm from. Like pumpkin patches and stuff. Look at that, we got some UFOs. I think this is a really good proof of concept too. Maybe once I compile a list of really good like build functions like this, I think I mentioned it earlier, but I can
always get lost in them.
like put it on in GitHub. That way people, if they want to build their own maps, they can have these to like print them in type stuff. And if anybody wants to do this, my setup is literally just VS Code with GitHub Copilot installed, and then I just fed it some of my Minecraft functions until it worked. So it's a very, very simple setup. I even got the setup running on a Raspberry Pi too, with running on only like 4 watts. So technically if you have like an iPhone or like an Android, you can hotspot a Raspberry Pi and then do all of this like remotely anywhere in the world. And then for like a just standard portable battery pack, it would power it for like 3 days. Like I've been looking towards like high efficiency and stuff. I'm planning on traveling a lot in the next like year or so. So I've been doing a lot of tech development, trying to like optimize my my setup to where it's either in the ether or highly portable.
The blubble-de-blub, the trick is keep your left hand on the wall and go.
Okay, this is supposed to be the super dank crop circle, but it looks like it generated with 2 errors. I want to try to fix these real quick. That looks good. One more error right here. And then Jay, I'll do the... I'll try not to prompt it too much. I'll just say make like a maze that works. If I try to tell it the type of procedural generation we use, it might
Nice
overrule
next
it.
time I try. THXJ.
Surely the fractal alien crop circle works. This is the test function to try to break it. Oh, and it just straight works. Okay. Nice. And it's beautiful. Look at that. The AI aliens of Minecraft coming to put crop circles in a world near you.
That's cool.
How fun. Okay, here we go. Generate a Minecraft, what are they called? Wheat bale? What's the actual item ID if you know it off the top of your head? That would help me a lot for the AI. Minecraft wheat block. Maybe wheat block is good. Generate a Minecraft wheat block crop maze of sorts for a player
Hi from Xbox
to
Series X.
explore
Do you
and
remember me?
try to
Hey, Bale.
make sure. Yeah, hay bale. Wheat block hay bale. I'll put both of those in there. Make sure the maze has a solution and is properly generated. Okay, maybe that'll give us a thing. Hi from Xbox Series X. Whoa, are you watching me on an Xbox right now? That's kind of cool, actually. Wow. Yeah, what's up? I think I remember you. Your name looks kind of familiar. We're using AI language models to generate builds in Minecraft. And then I'm using a Datapack function for that. A hay maze function creates a 41 by 41 hay bale maze with weed decorations, hidden features, and a clear solution path. Hopefully that'll work. I'm gonna feed this prompt to Grok too, actually. Oh wait, Grok was gonna build the huge cathedral, wasn't he? Yeah, let me import this. File, let's call it Grok 2. MC function. Naming style is atrocious
AJ.
that I'm using, but... Hey, what's up, RA? Welcome. Yeah.
My next big project after the Travelodge is open is planned, in another dimension.
That's so good. I've been working on the multiverse core, trying to get the dimensions working. I gave Veers his own dimension to like test it, but it collapsed on itself not too long ago, so I have to remake the dimensions code. With, working. Okay, this is Grok's Stonehenge Cathedral. Oh, I put it too close to that one. Let me go over here. Looks like Grok made a little Stonehenge.
Yes, Judah.
Oh wait, this is connected to the Stonehenge. Look at that, it did another stained glass thing. That's kind of cool. Time set day, is that too dark for y'all?
Do you remember me?
That's kind of cool.
That's cool.
Hey Judah asterisk.
I don't think I remember you off the top of my head. I remember your name, the Dobreeze. I remember trying to say it like early on in the stream. But I don't really remember what we talked about or anything. I've been having to speak to like thousands of spirits a day type stuff. Especially with streaming and like running the Minecraft server. So it can be hard to keep track of sometimes, especially when I get tired. But
Your voice changed fever face with thermometer.
oh, my voice changed? Do I sound sick right now? Oh no. It's been super cold where I've been at. It's been like lower than freezing constantly.
Yes.
Oh man. Hopefully I sound better. Maybe I just need to drink some water or something. I haven't really ate too much either. Maybe I could eat.
I have been sick for 2 to 3 weeks. It sucks.
Yeah, it's rough. Hate to hear it. I don't like sickness. I like it's the plague on man. Which technically it is, but like... you know what
Are
I mean?
you feeling well, Jay?
Fix these errors in the code. I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah. Feel normal.
I'm getting better. Okay.
Where's the error at though? Oh, here it is. It's using the wrong color.
What are you, Bill Juder?
Right now we're trying to generate a corn maze using like wheat in Minecraft. So we're about to test that
Building
out.
asterisk.
This thing that we're working on right here is about 400 lines of code. We're just fixing the errors in the generation. I think that worked. Surely we could just spawn in the maze now. Hey maze. Well, it's not really a maze. It looks like it tried to use actual wheat for the walls. It even spawned its signs. Almost there, or are you? Wow. Even leaving clues in a maze. I don't think I'd really call this a maze though. It's kind of...
New server.
I can just kind of walk in it. This is a test single player world that I use to build like features for the server before I roll them out to live. Played sound cow ambient to Judah. There's a pressure pad that plays cow sound. What the? Why did it think of that?
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think I would call this a maze. This way, maybe not. I really put a lot of signs. Huh. We tell it to fix a maze. It's just an open field, not really hard or have pathways. Use only hay bales, not wheat, as wheat respawns to an entity. Bit of a lot. Got some typos in there, but that'll be fine. Maybe I just print all the functions real quick, because I think we're coming up on the hour mark, so I'll just print all the ones that we have right now, just so everyone can see them. This was supposed to be like a cliffside village thing. That one was pretty cool.
Mine foo numbering exam and fever.
Fever, I don't know. It was like an Aztec one that we had. Generated like a little city. We got Another Aztec one. Another small city. I really like how it does like micro builds. Like this looks like it's supposed to be like, I don't know, it looks like a microchip or something. Pretty cool stuff. Plus we got, I tried generating like the Cherokee villages. I love the native culture. It generates little, funny enough, when I used Cherokee as the prompt generator, it made like these houses on stilts for almost all the generations. And then when I did other native tribes, it did either like stone or like long houses, kind of like this thing. Like, look at this. An AI can just make this in seconds. You just say, make me a native house in Minecraft. Like it's the potential for this is. I mean, I guess it's already here. You know, we can use it. Oh, it looks like it's finally coding the hay maze too at the bottom of the screen. Surely we'll get an actual maze this time instead of whatever it gave us last time. Let me go back to that actually. This thing right here. Look at this.
Bro, try to make short video, bro, of Minecraft facts.
Make a short video of Minecraft facts? I think I've made like 1,000 of those on the channel. It's been a little bit since I made one, but yeah, I think like 90% of the videos over the last year have been
The maze
short.
turned out alright.
I think the maze turned out alright. I don't think I can call this one a maze, but I really like what it tried to do with like the pressure pads.
Wish it was a little more filled.
Yeah, this is definitely like, it could be used as a blueprint. And this thing's been writing for like 3 minutes though. And we got 6 errors. Maybe we just delete the line of code that has an error and it'll work. Okay, second maze. Let's need to find a spot to generate it. Function. Hey maze. Oh, here we go. This is a lot better. Oh my goodness. This might be an actual maze. Then it said, hint, look for hay blocks at your feet to find the solution path. Oh, so it even maps how to get out. That's kind of advanced. No wonder it thought for a couple minutes. Do we try the maze now? See if we can get through it.
Jay, wanna do CPVP or PvP today?
Almost there, or are you? Yeah, it even has the escape route planned out on the floor. This is like advanced. The hay blocks the true path, I think is what that says. And we just keep following the true path. This way, maybe not. And we made it out. This is a fully functional maze, complete with pathway out. That's actually so impressive. That was, which AI model was that? Cloud 3.7 Sonnet Thinking Preview was able to generate a full hay maze. How amazing. Okay, well, I think we're hitting the hour mark. Surely that's enough content to kind of show the proof of concept of this. If you want to do this yourself, again, all you have to do is just make a Minecraft data pack, start building functions in it, load the data pack into a single player world. You can get the folder for it by doing escape, options, resource packs, open pack folder.
I don't PvP or Exa.
And then all that stuff. You don't PvP. I really want to see more people do stuff like this though. Like, I think the creative potential is so huge right now for AI. A lot of people are just using it to generate like little screenshots of their favorite celebrities. But like, people are forgetting, like, the core of why an AI exists is protocol or translation. Like, you're translating from one thing to another through a machine. So if you know how to speak English but you don't know how to speak JavaScript, you can speak to a machine to translate your English words into whatever coding language you want. So it's like, I don't know how to write 400 lines of code of set block at this coordinate, at that coordinate, at that coordinate, but I know I want a hay maze in Minecraft. If I tell an AI to do it in a specific way, maybe it could do it. Maybe not the first time like this one, but maybe the second time, or the third time, or the fourth generation. You never know. But yeah, I want to say shout out to these tools, VS Code, the AI models coming out. Grok is pretty lit with how much it thinks, all that stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to word it. I just see all this stuff as like artistic mediums of people have something that they want to create in their mind, be it a vision or a experience or something like that. But the medium of the art is what gets in the way. The
Because I'm
latency
not a purr.
of getting it from your mind into the world. And so, you know, if I wanted to hand code this maze, this would take me like 4 hours to write just this couple hundred lines of code. But in
That
AI,
maze looks better.
it only takes a second. For real, yeah, it's fully working. It even has the solution,
KK.
all that stuff. I forget what I was saying, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some food, all that stuff. Maybe say hi to the family. I'll probably stream VR here in a little bit. We'll figure it out. And then I got some updates to the Minecraft server coming soon. It's like a big quests update. I don't think I showed any of that here. This is just kind of the building one, but yeah, it's all good. Much love to Justin, RA, all those people who've been talking and all that. It's good stuff. Okay, I'm out.